So this method that I like to practice, and this is something I learned from people watching, like in the corner of the streets. Like that's the best way to get inspiration sometimes, just like seeing what's around you, especially when you're in like a different city. It's definitely adding just a jewelry piece, an accessory piece, but jewelry is just so easy, just 1 or 2 pieces, nothing too complicated. Necklace, a watch, earrings, something like that. Right now, and if you're trying to stay like on trend right now, the statement earring is huge. You can get it from like a low price point to a high price point. You'll see it everywhere at the mall right now, or the stores, or online. Right now, they're doing like pops of color and fringe or beading or whatnot, and you could do something like on the smaller end, something on like the larger and longer end for like that night out if you want to like go crazy. I definitely wouldn't do too much other pieces if you're going to be doing that. You can totally do it with like a white tee, some denim, like a cool leather jacket or blazer or something, boots, and then like your statement earring, and then you're all set. It's easy.